understand why a patient is sick, how can I best cure that patient, find ways of curing or preventing diseases, to get a really in-depth scientific knowledge rather than a superficial checklist. Oh, this is what the patient has, and okay, I'll treat it this way. You can get that everywhere. You don't need to come here. But if you want that level of depth for the future and for giving the best treatment and best prevention measures, and to get interested in research, Indonesia has a wonderful wealth of possibilities in terms of patients, different types of different environmental exposures, how that affects disease. If you really want to be a tip-top clinician, I think it's good for you to come over and experience some of our courses. So you're very welcome to come.